Hello dear students, this is Srishti Saxena and I am going to teach you English literature of class 2nd. In my next previous video, I have already explained you the poem The Little Plant. And today in this video I am going to continue with some exercises of this poem, The Little Plant. I told you to write the poem in your copy, and after copying the poem in your copy, you will have to do some exercises related to this poem. First of all, I am going to start with the meanings. Meanings means difficult words in the poem. After writing the poem, you have to write meanings. First meaning is buried. Buried means hid in the ground. Buried means hid in the ground. Second meaning is fast asleep. Second meaning is fast asleep, sleeping deeply. And the third is creep. Creep means move slowly. See, again I am showing you. You have to write the meanings. There is difficult words in this poem. After that, you have to write RTC. RTC means reference to context. See, these 4 lines I have already written in here in RTC. And based on these 4 lines, you have to answer these questions. Based on these 4 lines, you have to answer this question. Let us read see the first line. The little plant heard and it rose to see. The little plant heard when it heard the voice of the sunshine and the raindrop. It rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So, based on these 4 lines, we shall answer the following questions. First question is, whose voice did the little plant hear? Whose voice did the little plant hear? The little plant heard the voices of the sun and the raindrops. The little plant heard the voices of the sun and the raindrops. First question was this. And the second question. And see, the second question is, what did the little plant do? What did the little plant do? When the little plant heard the voice of the sun and the raindrops, what did it do? The little plant rose. What did the little plant do? The little plant rose to see the outside world. The little plant rose, it wake up to see the outside world. The little plant rose to see the outside world. Then C. Third question. Name the poem and the poet in these lines. Name the poem and the poet in this line. Name of the poem is Little Plant and the poet is Kate Louise Brown. Again I am reading. Name of the poem is Little Plant and the poet is Kate Louise Brown. Today in this video I am going to give you only this much part. First you have to copy the poem, that is you have already done. Then meanings you will write. You will write the meanings of the poem, difficult words. Then you will continue the part. After meaning you will continue with RTC. 4 lines you have to write as it is I have given you. See, again I am showing you 4 lines you have to write down in your copy. Then after writing these 4 lines you have to write with answer 1, 2, and this is 3. A, B and C. Only this much work you have to do in your copy. Again I am showing you. Meanings, RTCs, then B, and this is C. Only this much work you have to maintain in your copy, and answers related to this poem I am going to continue in my next video. By the time you can learn all these exercises in your copy. Thank you.